What's up, tech enthusiasts, and welcome back to ChatGPT Insights. The pace of innovation never stops, and today we've got a rapid-fire rundown of updates that are shaping the future. Get ready, because you won't want to miss this. We're diving into Google's massive Gemini API upgrades. Next up, we're heading to Nevada, where a significant lithium project is changing hands, a move that could impact resource markets. And in a fascinating blend of AI and productivity, we'll uncover how Google Docs is getting a voice, making your documents more accessible than ever. Plus, we've got another game changer to reveal. Stick around, you're about to get plugged into the next wave of tech. Let's go. Google's Gemini API just leveled up in a massive way, making its URL context tool production-ready with killer new features. This isn't just an update. It's a paradigm shift for developers integrating AI into their workflows. Imagine feeding your AI models entire websites, PDFs, or even images directly through a simple URL, and having them understand it all: tables, text, visuals, the works. That's exactly what Google's Gemini API is now offering with its now generally available URL context tool. Announced on August 18, 2025, by product manager Alyssa Fortnan, this tool is designed to provide AI models with rich, contextual information without the manual hassle of downloading, processing, and uploading content. It's a game changer for building sophisticated generative AI applications. The tool operates by caching content from URLs for speed or fetching it live if it's not cached. What's truly exciting is the expanded support for various content types. PDFs are no longer just text blobs. Gemini can now interpret tables, document structure, and formatting, making dense reports and manuals easily digestible for AI analysis. Image processing is also significantly enhanced, supporting formats like PNG, JPEG, BMP, and WebP. The AI can now describe images, read text within them, and even understand charts and diagrams, opening up analysis of infographics and data visualizations. Beyond PDFs and images, it continues to support standard web pages, JSON, XML, CSV, and various text file formats. This means developers can leverage a comprehensive suite of tools for almost any web-based content. Google is also addressing scalability and cost concerns. Rate limits are now tied to specific Gemini models, allowing for greater production scale, and pricing is transparently based on input token calculations, making budget planning more predictable. Use cases are vast. Customer service bots can pull live product information from URLs, document comparison tools can analyze multiple reports simultaneously, and content analysis platforms can process competitor websites with ease. Gladly, a customer service platform, is already using this to provide personalized customer experiences by accessing the latest product info and support articles. The integration is straightforward, with code samples and Google AI Studio making it accessible. This move is a significant step in Google's strategy to embed powerful AI capabilities into everyday developer workflows, complementing its search grounding feature for more sophisticated, multi-step AI tasks. The market impact is substantial, promising to accelerate AI application development and democratize access to advanced content analysis. Developers are already buzzing about the possibilities, seeing it as a way to build smarter, more context-aware AI applications faster than ever before. This isn't just about convenience, it's about unlocking deeper AI understanding of the web. The general availability of the URL context tool with these advanced features marks a new era for AI-powered web content interaction. But wait, there's more to the evolving AI landscape. Keep your eyes peeled for a major development in the world of digital assets and exploration. In a significant move for the resource sector, Nevada Sunrise Metals Corporation has signed an agreement to sell its core Gemini Lithium Project claims to Dome Rock Resources, LLC. This deal, announced August 19, 2025, involves 223 unpatented lode claims located in the Lehigh Valley, Nevada, a region increasingly recognized for its lithium potential. The sale price for a 100% acquisition of these core claims is set at $800,000, payable in cash according to a specified schedule. While Nevada Sunrise will retain 26 claims immediately west of the sold parcels, This transaction represents a substantial divestment of its flagship lithium asset. The agreement is subject to acceptance by the TSX Venture Exchange, a standard procedural step for such deals. Nevada Sunrise, a junior exploration company with a focus on gold, copper, and lithium in Nevada, USA, continues to hold interests in other projects, including the Griffin Gold Mine Project and the Coronado Copper Project. They also retain ownership of the Jackson Wash and Badlands Lithium projects, also in the Leda Valley, and a water right permit in the same basin. The market reaction to this news could be telling, as it signals a potential consolidation or shift in focus for junior explorers in the burgeoning lithium market. Lithium, a critical component for electric vehicle batteries, has seen volatile but generally upward price trends, making projects like Gemini attractive targets. Dome Rock Resources, a private South Dakota company, is acquiring the core of the Gemini project, which could position them as a significant player in Nevada's lithium landscape. The specific payment schedule and default provisions highlight the typical structured approach to option and purchase agreements in the mining industry, balancing the seller's need for payment with the buyer's need for exploration and development time. Industry analysts will be watching closely to see how Dome Rock plans to advance the Gemini project, particularly given the current market conditions and the increasing demand for battery metals. The deal underscores the strategic importance of Nevada as a prospective region for lithium exploration, benefiting from established mining infrastructure and geological potential. Nevada Sunrise's retention of adjacent claims suggests they still see value in the broader Gemini area, perhaps for future exploration or strategic partnerships. This transaction is a key indicator of the ongoing activity and investment flowing into the lithium sector, driven by the global transition towards electrification. The financial details, while significant for a junior company, are modest in the context of large-scale lithium extraction operations, suggesting Dome Rock may be aiming for phased development or seeking further investment to fully exploit the project's potential. The company's forward-looking statements caution that actual results may differ materially from expectations due to various risks, including commodity prices, operational challenges, and regulatory approvals, which are standard considerations in the mining exploration industry. As we wrap up our look at mineral resource deals, let's shift gears to how artificial intelligence is making everyday digital tools more interactive and accessible. Get ready to have your documents read to you. Google Docs is rolling out a new Gemini-powered audio feature that transforms text into speech, making your documents more accessible and interactive than ever before. This text-to-speech tool, first previewed earlier this year, is now beginning its rollout on the web, aiming to enhance the reading, editing, and reviewing experience for users. Accessible via the Tools menu, the audio option sits alongside voice typing and Gemini. Selecting Listen to this tab brings up a floating, pill-shaped audio player that displays the document's duration and offers standard playback controls: play, pause, and a scrubber for easy navigation through the text. What's particularly impressive is the customization available. Users can adjust playback speed and choose from a variety of natural-sounding voices, including options like narrator, educator, teacher, persuader, explainer, coach, and motivator. This allows for a personalized listening experience tailored to different tones and purposes, benefiting auditory learners or those needing to review content efficiently. For collaborative environments, editors can even insert an audio button directly within a document, enabling others to listen without navigating menus, accessed via Insert Audio Buttons, Listen to tab. Google positions this feature as invaluable for reviewing content aloud, aiding information retention, and helping users catch writing errors that might otherwise be missed. Initially, the audio feature is available only in English on the web and will be rolled out progressively. Access is currently limited to Google AI Pro and Ultra subscribers, as well as specific Google Workspace tiers, Business Standard Plus, Enterprise Standard Plus, and Gemini Education Business add-ons. This tiered access strategy underscores Google's focus on integrating advanced AI capabilities into its premium productivity offerings. Complementing this, Google Docs on Android is gaining the ability to generate images directly within documents, also restricted to premium subscribers. This dual rollout highlights Google's commitment to embedding AI into everyday productivity tools, transforming how users interact with their digital content. The Gemini audio feature is a significant step in making information consumption more flexible and inclusive, proving particularly useful for students, professionals, or anyone who benefits from auditory learning or needs to process lengthy documents efficiently. The integration of AI into core productivity suites like Google Docs is rapidly becoming a standard, pushing the boundaries of what's possible in document management and interaction. Now that we've heard about AI giving voice to documents, let's turn our attention to how AI is also being used to analyze and understand the very fabric of the web itself. Google's Gemini API is making waves with its production-ready URL context tool, now offering enhanced capabilities for developers. This tool, which allows AI models to access and analyze content from web URLs without manual uploads, has reached general availability with significant upgrades. Announced August 18, 2025, by product manager Alyssa Fortnan, the tool supports PDF analysis, image processing, and expanded content types, enabling developers to ground AI responses in web content more effectively. The tool works by fetching content from URLs, either from a cache for speed or via a live fetch. The newly added PDF support goes beyond simple text extraction, allowing Gemini to understand tables, document structure, and formatting, making complex documents like reports and manuals accessible for AI analysis. Image processing now includes formats like PNG, JPEG, BMP, and WebP, enabling the AI to describe visuals, read text within images, and interpret charts and diagrams. This multimodal capability is crucial for analyzing infographics and data visualizations. The tool also maintains support for standard web pages, JSON, XML, CSV, and various text files, providing a comprehensive content analysis solution. Google has also addressed scalability and cost, with production-ready rate limits tied to specific Gemini models and transparent, token-based pricing. This makes the tool suitable for enterprise-level applications. Use cases range from customer service bots accessing live product information via URLs to document comparison tools analyzing multiple reports. The Gemini CLI's web fetch command demonstrates this simplicity, allowing quick web page summarization and information extraction. Companies like Gladly are already leveraging the tool for personalized customer experiences. The URL context tool complements Google's grounding with Google Search functionality, enabling sophisticated, multi-step AI tasks that require both discovery and detailed analysis. This advancement is part of Google's broader strategy to enhance developer productivity and application sophistication by integrating powerful AI tools into its ecosystem. The tool's versatility and production readiness are expected to accelerate the development of advanced AI applications across various industries. We've covered some incredible advancements in AI and resource exploration today. Now, let's quickly recap the biggest stories and tell you how to stay plugged in. And that's a wrap on today's Tech Pulse. We saw Google's Gemini API get a major boost with production-ready URL context tools, paving the way for smarter AI applications. Nevada Sunrise is selling its Gemini Lithium Project, a key move in the resource market. Google Docs is now reading your documents aloud with Gemini Audio, boosting accessibility. And Google's Gemini API URL context tool is now production-ready, enhancing web content analysis for developers. Don't miss out on any future breakthroughs. Hit that like button, subscribe to ChatGPT Insights, ring the notification bell, and let us know your thoughts in the comments below. Follow us on all social platforms to stay ahead of the curve. Until next time, stay curious.